Hi guys, this is my birthday, the third birthday. This is from my daddy. This is from my Bude. This is from my friends. His name Kenzo. Let's open this first. Whoa! Look this. It's very shine. This is glow in the dark. Lights. There's lights in there. Pretty cool, huh? The next one is this one. I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna eat first. Try. Look at this. Ooh. This is from Evil Money. Yummy. Let's go try it. Ooh. Solo EK Evil Money. Okay, let's go open this. This is from Evil Money. What the? I got this. Kinder Joy. It's a pink egg. This is from my mommy. Oh my gosh. Astaghfirullah. Oh my. Like this. Ini kuahnya enak-enak. Astaga. Keren banget ini. Oh. What is this? From Singapore. My big one. And Kinder Joy. Oopsie. Next, I'll open this one from my friends. Yes, this is from my friends. Thank you, Kenzo. I love it. Let's go open. Whoa, this. Oopsie. Another flash. Okay. Look this. What is this? Whoa. Look at this. My new toy. Thank you for watching. If you guys like it, give a thumbs up and click the bell. Bye bye. Let's go open first. You wanna open? Okay. You want off? Whoa, you want off. How'd you open? Oh, this. To lock it, you. Really? Like this. Hey. Hey. Okay, let's open to inside that. Look this. Pickle. Pickle. Pickle.